Officer Navarro.
Hi.
Where is your other partner?
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know.
Okay,
Maybe.
we're less than 20 seconds into this story, and things are already spiraling. Police were supposedly called to calm down a domestic dispute, but judging by this interaction, that mission is about to become a whole lot more complicated. And trust me, if you're already arguing with officers before they've even figured out what happened, that's usually not a great sign.
I don't know. Maybe find him at this address if it exists.
So who called?
I'm not sure. Here, find him at that
What's
address.
your name?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
No. This is my address. My address should be on my name. You came to it.
Can you talk to the guy on that side?
You guys don't need to be all like, you guys can't handle your own? This is disgusting. You guys need to do something else. No, it's only one person, you know, like one person only. You guys don't need to be a bunch of fucking idiots and just do this. It embarrasses people. Here, go find him at that address. He has a receipt at Home Depot.
Just calm down.
No, you calm down and go somewhere else. Here, I took that medicine too. And see why his name doesn't even show up like that. I don't know. I'm so confused. Try that. Get out of here.
Nothing good. She's not making any sense in handing me Home Depot stuff, and this guy didn't even try to talk to me when I pulled up.
You're the cutest stinking kid.
Oh, I know who this is.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be.
Leslie, she's a handful. I think she has severe postpartum. It's unchecked.
We responded to the hotel because of her. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
The other day I drove by and she was just staring at me through the window too. She's off.
He's like a chill little boy. He's got like a little picture perfect face. Hey Bethany, can you come talk to us?
Can you come to the door? We need to talk to you. I can't hear you. Open the door.
Come explain this to me, because I don't understand. I want to
Okay,
hear your
so
side.
she asked me what my address was, right?
Who's
She
she?
not asked me, or she asked me where Mario was. He has two different addresses right there. Go find him. That's what you asked.
Well, he's
So I
here.
answered back and I gave it to him. That's what I can give you for information.
So what's your side of what happened with
Listen
Mario?
to this conversation carefully. Nothing is really being answered, yet somehow the tension keeps rising. Officers are trying to establish basic facts, but they're getting random receipts, unrelated stories, and arguments about addresses instead. Have you ever watched someone dig themselves deeper while insisting everything is fine? Because that's exactly what this feels like right now.
Side of what happened with Mario.
I don't know. He's a little bitch and he called the cops because he needs protection, obviously.
Why
What are
would
you
he-
doing here with three people?
Why does he need protection from you?
Well, obviously because I had money and it was gone, but you know what? I found it, so it doesn't matter, and I'm hungry and I need to go.
Well, it says declined, so there's no money.
It doesn't say declined.
It says declined right there.
No, it does not.
It says right there.
It just says
Damage
amount
protection
paid.
declined.
Amount paid. It says 94. It doesn't matter. It's the fucking reason that you fucking asked me for an address, so I gave it to you.
I didn't ask you.
I didn't ask you to read it. I said there's his address.
Well, I'm going to read it because you gave it to me.
Okay, but I only asked you to read his address. She asked me for an address. That's what I gave you. Does it exist? No.
Why are you yelling at me?
Well, because she asked me for a goddamn address.
Did I?
Well, why'd you guys come here? Do you know now who lives here when you come?
Well, you've moved a few times.
Well, right. That's why I'm so confused. Lost addresses.
Why are you yelling?
Because I need to eat.
Is
So
that
can you
what-
leave?
Is this you hangry?
Yes, I need to go eat.
There's
Move.
There's no food in the house?
No, I need to go get milk. Go.
I don't understand.
Okay, I don't understand. Ask Dr. Manabar. I don't know.
Who's Dr.
Or
Matavar?
Lindsay or somebody else. All them. I don't
Who's
know.
Lindsay?
I'm the one that put it on my face, or did you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Or did you? You're the one that sold my mom's house, so let's talk about that.
Actually, she bought my house.
Well, that's your problem. Well, you guys had something going on, obviously. So, who
I'm
knows?
confused. Something about what going
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know.
It was posted legally, and she bought it legally.
That's fine. That's fine. So
Okay.
maybe you can explain that. You talk to her more than I do.
Actually, I haven't talked to her more
Well,
than
I
years.
took that prescription, put it on my face, so I don't know why Mario has a middle initial, and I don't know why that prescription's in his name. So if you have any questions or answers, go over there and speak to him, and leave me alone.
But I'm trying to speak to you.
What if he gives us access just to come in?
If she assaults him, then that would be even more.
I did what?
Huh?
What did I do? What did I do? You guys were there? You guys saw that?
So what?
What you just said?
I said if you assault him, that would be even more.
Oh, but what if he assaulted me by,
Well, you won't tell me your side of the story.
well, I
so
don't have
know.
one. There's no side.
Okay.
I absolutely defended what I had to do.
Well, what happened? It caused you to
Well,
defend
I don't give a
yourself.
shit. I don't give a shit. I never even hurt him. He did this last month, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anymore. Fighting is fighting.
This is the turning point. Once officers determine they have probable cause for a domestic violence arrest, the discussion phase is basically over. At that moment, compliance becomes incredibly important. The problem? Instead of calming down, emotions are escalating. And when emotions take control, situations that could end peacefully often go downhill very fast.
Fighting is
Two
fighting.
options.
It's none of your business.
We can just
Just
tell
go.
them flat out now, or just get a search warrant.
For what? What do you want a search warrant for?
Why don't you just come out?
Because I'm not going to come out. I don't have to. I'm talking to you right now, and what the fuck is the problem?
So basically, we could tell her right now, and then.
Okay, tell me.
further
What?
maybe More crimes.
Pay attention here, because this is where the entire encounter changes. Officers have repeatedly given commands, explained the situation, and attempted verbal de-escalation. Now, they're moving to physically take control. Whether you agree or disagree with what's happening, one thing is certain. This moment will decide how the rest of the arrest unfolds.
More crimes, more charges.
What?
Yeah, let's just do it.
Huh?
Let's just tell her.
Okay. Well, right now you're under arrest for domestic violence.
For what?
For
He
assaulting
absolutely
Lauren.
came up to me and threatened me. I'm going to do what I'm going to do, and I never heard
How
him.
do you threaten you?
He absolutely told me he was going to beat my ass right now.
He did?
Absolutely. He came up to me in the living room while my child was in the same room.
Okay.
Okay, I've been beaten
Well-
before? Absolutely.
Okay, well,
I don't care.
As-
Absolutely.
as
That's
of
the point.
now-
You don't ever,
as of
ever,
now,
ever
with the
show
primary-
violence in front of somebody and absolutely go up to somebody.
As of
You know
now-
what? A
And just when
person
you think the situation can't get any more chaotic, we get one of the most unexpected body cam moments imaginable. The adrenaline, the stress, the struggle, it all comes crashing down at once. But here's the bigger takeaway. Moments like this show how quickly a tense confrontation can become overwhelming for everyone involved.
You know what? A
You
person
are
that's
the
been beaten,
primary
a
aggressor.
person that has been beaten is going to protect herself in no matter what. If I'm going to come up to you and act like I'm going to force a force of
All right,
aggression,
just go
yes.
start. Type in the search warrant.
No, I'm not going to do that.
We don't want fighting.
Don't come back like that. No!
Ah, get off me!
Roll over.
Get off me! Ow! Get off me! Ow! Got one fighting.
Ow! I'm peeing my pants. You're
Put your
hurting
hand
me.
behind your back right now.
I'm peeing my pants. Oh my God, help me. Help me. Help me, my pants.
Stop moving.
Oh my God!
You can breathe.
Oh my God, I can't breathe!
All right, we're gonna stitch you up.
I peed my pants. Wait!
What?
Oh wait! I peed my pants. Wait!
Well, you're stuck in what you're wearing.
No!
Sit up.
Feet up.
No! Wait! Let me at least change my underwear, please!
No, we're past
Yes!
it. Go.
No! I just peed my pants! No! Quit!
Pick me up, Dana.
Ugh.
Stop.
My lungs.
What?
Shoes, you said?
Yeah, ask her for
They're in my. Ow!
fingers.
You're hurting me!
Do not
Ow! 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 Ow!
Where's your shoes?
You're hurting me!
Where are your shoes?
Where? They're in the house!
Where
You're
is
hurting
the
me!
chicken?
You are hurting me!
Not hurting.
Yes, you are! How can I even grab you?
Stop yelling.
I don't give a fuck! I just pissed my pants!
I don't care. Where's your
I don't
shoes?
care either! Then shut up!
All right, never.
Ow! Ow!
Probably need surgery.
Yeah.
Go ahead, step up.
I don't have anything on me!
We tried, but you wouldn't comply.
Whatever, bitch! You fucking fuck!
You want to turn her around, or how do you want to do it?
What? I don't have anything on me!
All right, step out.
No! You
Step
just
out.
put me in the car!
Step out, or I'll bring you.
You just put me in the car!
All right.
Well, do your work first! You don't have to be so rough!
I'm not rough.
Yes, you are, you f***ing Make sure I don't have a phone this time, huh? So you guys can't keep it like last time? How many days you gave me a phone? 3 days? I don't have anything. I'm telling you the truth. I don't have any meth and I don't have anything. I'm fucking silver as fuck. My pants are pissed from this fat fuck on me. Couldn't even fucking breathe.
Stand straight. I need to check your breast area.
In the street?
Don't. Alright, enough. Go ahead and check where you need it.
Motherfucker, you better get your hands off me right now.
Stop.
You don't need to do so. You don't need to be so
Stop.
forceful.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. I'm not even showing force.
Now that the handcuffs are on and Miranda rights are being read, reality starts setting in. The shouting, accusations, and confusion that dominated the encounter are no longer the focus. Instead, the focus shifts to the legal process. And that's the part many people forget. Once an arrest happens, every word and every action can carry consequences long after the body cam stops recording.
All right. Not my fucking throat!
You move
Get off
sounds
my
on.
fucking throat!
I'm not on your throat.
Get off my throat! Get off my throat!
I'm not on
Get off my throat! There's other ways to fucking touch.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. You don't have to get on my
21,
throat.
You're gonna bite me.
22.
Why would I fucking bite you,
Because
bitch?
They
you
take
look
the
like
money,
some
right?
out of the
To
ring.
jail?
Well, yeah, because you put it on my face.
Get back!
No!
There you go.
Stop.
Now we're
Stop.
All right, Bethany, I'm going to read you Miranda.
No.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I've explained them to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
And why does it have a middle initial on it? And why does it have a fucking address? No, it doesn't even exist. Why? You fucking bitch! Do you not understand me? I'm allergic to metal! God damn it! Look at my face! You guys are so mean! Can you unloosen them, please? They're burning my fingers! Please, I'm asking you nicely! Can you even talk back? After I called 911 and put the TULL, you guys have been on my ass ever since, you motherfucking bitch! You guys took away my phone! What for? When I fucking got arrested last? Making sure? Huh? Fucking dude, fucking dirty shit like that! Who goes to jail with a fucking phone and then fucking not give it back?
Okay, ready? Sit back real quick. I need to undo your seatbelt.
I am sitting back, I'm here! Then put up my shirt so my tits not fucking showing.
All right, move back and I'll do it real quick. Here, let me pull this up real quick.
Just so you know, it's just a process when you come into the jail that you have to be served again, enter the facility.
Can you guys take this off me? I'm fucking allergic to metal, please. It's burning my